And welcome to the Biointerfaces International Conference. And today we are with Pascal Behr, who is the CEO of Pascal. And we are today with Pascal Behr, the CEO of Cytosurge, a company that has been founded in 2009, and we are interested to hear more about it.
So Pascal, can you tell us about what your company is doing and what was your motivation to start your company?
Okay, thank you very much. So our company is selling instruments, so we're an instrument seller, and our company has a special kind of technology which you can fit onto a standard AFM, an atomic force microscope, and it is basically a microfluidic probe. And the essence of the device is that you have a force-controlled micro or nanopipette, so to speak. And with this, you actually have a very large space of applications that you can apply this. So we are mainly active in the field of single-cell biology, where customers are interested in manipulating and measuring scientific data on the level of single cells, so with the resolution of one cell, but of course multiple times.
So I understand you converted the classical patch clamp technology. You mated it with a cantilever.
This is actually one possible application. So the main advantage there is that our pipette has a force feedback capability because of the AFM that's underneath, and this allows you to basically automatically control this pipette. So whereas in the classical patch clamp, you would need a very skilled operator, which needs a lot of training, and believe me, it's very hard to do that. And in our system, much easier.
So why is it so important to study single cells?
Well, single-cell biology is actually a very modern topic, I would say. So far it's what we call the bulk way of doing science with the cells, is that you measure something on a large number of cells and you get the result. But it turns out that this result is an average of the entire population. And what's really interesting is when you look at each one of them individually, you actually see that sometimes you have not just one result, but you have kind of clusters of results. And if you don't have that single cell resolution, you miss that. So basically averaging out what really is going on. I always like to bring the example of the hunter with the rabbit. If the hunter shoots the rabbit once on the left and on the right, then in the average, the rabbit is dead. But of course, in reality, it's hopping away. So.
Okay, understood. Okay.
So one last question, what's your advice for people who want to start a startup company, and can you summarize the key to success?
Yeah, the key to success, so a lot of people try to give you good advice, but in the end you have to do it yourself. But key motivation, I mean, myself, I was a scientist doing a PhD, and I had a technology on my hand, and I showed it to people, and people told me, hey, that's cool, I want to use that as well. So if you think you have found something which can help a lot of people, which solves problems many people have, then you have to really think hard if this is something you would like to pursue. It gives you an immense amount of opportunities and personal development. You learn a lot, you can be your own boss. Of course, you have also to work hard, but I can definitely recommend it. It's an interesting journey.
Thank you very much.
That was Pascal Behr from Cytosurge. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.